Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. If you're new here, a very warm welcome, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers always come back, thank you so much for coming back. So today's video is a Boohoo haul, and I was like scrolling on my Instagram, I saw this advert coming for these like really nice like flip-flops, and I was like, oh, let me check them out. £200 later, I'm here with a haul. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this video off a little bit different. I am going to pop in a clip now to show you a preview of what's in store. Now that you've seen that clip, I'm going to ask you to hit that subscribe button to stick around. I would love to have you here. And also I'm going to let you know that if you want anything from the video, I'm going to pop the links in the description box down below. So if you do want to, feel free to have a browse. But on that note, I'm just going to jump right in because I've got a feeling that this one might be a little bit of a long one. So I'm going to start off with the platforms that made me actually click on the ad because I thought they was really nice. So they was these. They've got all this detail going along the platform bit. They are just that faux suede material with a bow on top, and they are really soft. They had them in the tan colour as well, which were really nice. Like, I love them much more than I love these, but they only had them in a size 3 and a size something else, and I'm not either of them. So I picked them up in black because I still think they are really nice. And what I would say about them is that they are on the small side. So I'm a size 5, but I could get into a size 4.5. These, my foot literally just comes off it ever so slightly, so I definitely say size up if you're going to get them. I paid £22.50 for them, and I just think they are really nice. So next up, I picked up another pair of sandals. I picked up these chunky, because I love chunky shoes. I picked up these chunky sandals, and they've just got that croc print on them, and I've got to say, I don't know if I'm a fan when they've come in person, if I'm honest. I think they're alright, and I think it's one of those things that I need to try on first with an outfit to see, but on first initial glimpse, I looked at them and I thought, you're not that nice. But yeah, I paid £21 for them, and I need to try them on with an outfit. I have no doubt in my mind that when I try them on with an outfit, I'd probably like them a lot better. You know those things that look nicer on than off? I think that's one of them. So I decided that I wanted to start doing some makeup videos on YouTube, even if it's just simple ones, because I'm by far not a makeup expert at all, but I thought it'd be nice to kind of like try out some makeup bits and just to make some videos with them. So I decided to buy myself some brushes, because at the moment I use Primark ones, but I don't know, I just thought I'd buy some new brushes because I saw it there. I picked up these Real Technique ones. So this is the Everyday Essentials one. So it's basically just like your really basic brushes. So in this box, you have just got like a brush for your concealer, foundation, powder, shadow, blush, and then you've also got a beauty blender down there. This box was only £20, which I think is a really good price. Like, not bad at all. I've heard like good reviews on Real Technique brushes, so I thought I would try that out. The first outfit I want to start off with is this beautiful crochet lace top, and I've paired it with these wide leg black trousers. So I'll come closer so that you can see. So I'll start off with the top. The top is just got such a beautiful design on it. I just think it's absolutely stunning. I picked this up in a size 14. I would say it's a good, like, it's a good fit, definitely. Now, I don't normally like crop tops, but I feel like the detailing going along the bottom of the top really does like flatter you if you have got a short body like myself, and if you haven't, it's still equally as flattering. The sleeves at the bottom, they're really nice and fitted all the way down, and then at the bottom they've got just a slight flare, and then they've got the matching finish as the bottom of the top. This top, honestly, I think it is really nice. It's got like a slight turtleneck to it. I paid £16.50 for it, and it was worth every penny. I feel like it's one of those items that you can have in your wardrobe for years, because I just don't see how this could go out of fashion. And I've paired it with these trousers. So now, wide leg trousers are not normally my thing, but my amazing fashionista friend Jess wears them all the time. I'm going to put her Instagram handle here. She's also got a YouTube channel if you want to check her out. She wears them all the time, and I thought, you know what? They look really nice on her, and they really flatter her body. So I thought I'm going to give them a go. If you haven't tried them, try them. I just feel like they are really flattering, really lovely, really comfy, and I just didn't think I was going to like them as much as I do. So this one here is from the petite range, but I'm pretty sure they're just plain black, so they've definitely got them in like a normal size range as well if you're not like a shorty like me. I paid £15 for these, but what I'll do is I'll link the normal ones down below as well in case you want to check those out. But yeah, this outfit, I just feel like it would be perfect for if you're going to dinner, or if you're going out, like, I feel like even for a special occasion, say like a christening or something like that, you could also wear it. I mean, you could change the trousers to like a cream or a white if you wanted to, but I just feel like if you've got your heels, your bag, it's like dressy enough to go to going out place as well. So yeah, definitely love this outfit. So next I picked up this beautiful top, again another one that I really do love. So it's just this tiered ruffle sleeve wrap top, big bargain, £13, and I just feel like it looks like really dressy if you dressed it up nicely. So it's slightly off the shoulders, which I don't normally like, but for some reason I feel like this one doesn't make me look too broad. Maybe it's the way it sits on the shoulders. If you wanted to have it more off the shoulders and literally have it like halfway down the arm, you could also do that. It just means that these ruffle bits will sit full length armed on you, which again looks really nice. I always feel like if you've got a fuller chest and maybe like a slightly midsection, I feel like wrap tops are really flattering for that shaped figure. They had this top in many different colours. They had it in like a red, white, black. This is the nude colour. They had it in I think camel, literally all different colours. I picked this up in a size 14, and again I would say it's true to size. Like I feel like it is a good fit. Yeah, really love this top, and I feel like for £13 I think it looks quite dressy. I paired it today with these kind of like skinny jeans. I feel like that's a better look if say you're going for drinks or something like that. Again, I feel like if you're going to like a more special event, if you put these on with the wide leg trousers that I just had on, I feel like that was a really nice look. I did do that before, but I just thought I'd mix it up a little bit and show you something different. But yeah, I feel like that's a really nice look as well, and it just makes it look even more classy. So yeah, really love this top. And let me just give you a hint, because I didn't actually realise this, just in case you don't know. If you do get this top and you're like me and you're figuring out how to tie the bow without bringing the strap back over, if you open up this side, there is a little slip bit where you put your tie through. Didn't know that. So yeah, that's just a heads up. But yeah, £13, size 14, I really like it. Next I picked up this contrast stitch shirt dress. Now it's a little bit on the small side. I ordered it in a size 12, not too sure why. So it is really short. If I turn around and I bend over, you can literally see everything, so I won't like give you that sight. But yeah, and if I come a bit closer, you'll also see that the bust area is really small as well. So I'd say it's, well no, I'd say I should have just got a size 14. It's not small, I just ordered the wrong size. But no, I did like the dress. It comes with a little belt. I'd say if you're tall, don't really go for it because it is quite short. But yeah, what drew me in was it was only £7.50, so I thought for £7.50 why not try it. But yeah, this one has to go back. So next up I picked up this flute sleeve bodysuit. So this is in the colour white. I definitely say in person it's more of an ivory. I picked it up in a size 14, and I would say it's definitely a snug fit, like it's right up there under my arm, so I better not sweat. I would say it's probably quite casual in the sense of it's not too, like the ruffles are not too overbearing, and obviously the front bit is very plain where it's quite high in the neck. So I'd say you could probably get away with wearing it quite casually, like to go shopping or something like that. But again, if you wanted to throw in some accessories, you could definitely like jazz it up and dress it up a bit more. So I paired it with the wide leg trousers today. I feel like you could do it with either this or some nice skinny jeans as well. I didn't put jeans on because it pulls me in a bit too tight at the midsection, but yeah, definitely I'll say you could wear it with either or. Yeah, £9 I paid for it, and I would say it's quite a bargain for £9, as it is a nice top. So for my next outfit, I've got on another pair of wide leg trousers. I've gone from having 0 to 2 because I actually think I really like them. I picked these up in a size 14. I feel like this colour, so it's white, but in person it definitely looks ivory. I feel like this colour is definitely like more dressy in terms of if you was going to like a special occasion, like I said, a christening or something like that. And I've paired it, I picked them up in a size 14, I paid £16.50 for them. I paired it with this black ribbed style top, and it's obviously got the organza sleeves. Now I've wanted one of these tops with the organza sleeves for ages. Like every time I used to go in Primark, I used to think, oh, I really want one, but I've tried on a few and I never liked the way they looked. But I thought I'd go for this one, and it just has like this loophole here in the chest area, and it has a little bit of a high neck going on there. But I do feel like I really like this one. I got it in a size 14 and I paid £11.25. What a bargain. And I do really think I like this one. I feel like I'd probably prefer it a little bit more if I had on skinny jeans with it, but that could just be because I feel like it's quite a contrast between the two of these. I probably need to, like, you know, put my shoes on in a bag and that to have it feel like it slots in a little bit more. But yeah, overall I do really like this, and for £11.25 I feel like you can't go wrong. Trousers again £16.50, and I feel like they're so like versatile that I feel like you can't go wrong with them either. So I don't actually know if you can do a haul without getting yourself some new loungewear. Sorry if you hear my puppy barking, but he's in the kitchen because he keeps biting my ankles. So yeah, I've picked up the mix match range. So this is the sage green. I've got both pieces in a size 14. The top was £11.25 and the bottoms were £10.50. Really soft, really comfortable. The top is a long line top, and if I come closer you'll see that it's just got that rib detail going all the way down it. Yeah, just really comfortable. Get myself ready for when those school runs start back up again. Yeah, it's a nice little set. So for my last outfit, I have just got on this really casual outfit. So I've got these high-rise straight leg jeans. I picked these up in a size 14. They was £18.75, and I just paired it with this kind of really plain t-shirt. It's just like the one that I had on in the beginning, so it's a basic ringer t-shirt. So it's just got the black trim around the neck and around the arms. Now they do have this top with a animal print around the neck and arms, which my friend Julia over on Being Mrs. Dudley has on her Boohoo haul that she recently put up, if you want to check it out. That one is like, I feel like you could dress it up a little bit more. These are like literally really super basic, but I like that they've just got like a little bit of a twist on just say your standard white top. Yeah, so I just paired these two together for like a nice casual outfit. The jeans, size 14, I'd probably say they're alright. I'd probably say I'm just pushing the boat out a bit because they feel a little bit tight on me, but I have got a bit more weight to lose. So yeah, I'd say they are probably true to size. They feel like the type, they're very straight and quite hard, so I feel like they need to go in the wash for a good wash so that they can soften up a little bit more, because in them I currently feel like Tin Man. But yeah, just a basic casual outfit. The top is £6 in case I didn't say already. So that is everything that I got in this haul. I do really hope that you enjoyed it. I enjoyed shopping for it, I can tell you that. But no, thank you so much for watching. As always, I really appreciate it. If you did enjoy this video, do please give me a big thumbs up. Like I said, anything you want to see is in the description box down below. Let me know in the comment box what you thought of the video, what was your favourite items, and also let me know if you have any like video ideas or any like different hauls that you want me to do. I'll be sure to do them. And until next time, if you haven't already, do please hit that subscribe button. Stay safe. I know that lockdown's coming to an end soon, so I hope everyone remains safe. I do still think we all need to be like really smart about what we're doing. So yeah, I hope you all stay safe, and until the next video, take care guys. Bye.